Orchid flower spikes are often discarded after blooming, but they can actually be a great source for propagation. Today, I'll show you how to reuse old flower spikes and combine them with aloe vera to stimulate new shoots at home in a simple and effective way.
Thank you for watching and supporting this orchid recovery video. Please subscribe to the channel so we can share more helpful plant care tips.
We should choose thick, healthy flower spikes so they have enough strength to grow new shoots more easily. The Phalaenopsis orchid is an elegant plant, known for its soft petals, refined colors, and long-lasting blooms. Beyond its beauty, it also symbolizes luxury and resilience, making it a perfect choice for growing and decorating at home. I apply a protective seal to the cut end of the orchid spike to prevent insect damage, reduce fungal risk, and minimize moisture loss during propagation. For the lower part, I use garlic as a natural disinfectant to help reduce pests and fungal issues. Since this part is responsible for absorbing water and nutrients, I avoid sealing it and only apply a light treatment. This time, I use aloe vera to propagate the orchid. It's very simple, just insert the flower spike into the aloe, and it can absorb moisture and nutrients to support growth. Aloe vera can support faster root development, provide natural moisture, and offer light nutrients that help orchids recover. Its antibacterial properties also help reduce fungal issues, creating a cleaner and more stable environment for healthy new growth.
Thanks for being here and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed this orchid rescue, please subscribe for more simple growing ideas.
After 7 days, new shoots have emerged and roots have developed. At this stage, we can transplant the orchid into a new pot so it can continue growing normally. Pine bark can retain moisture well without causing waterlogging, making it ideal for growing orchids. That's why I often use it.
We appreciate your support on this orchid recovery journey. Subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you more easy tips.
In the early stage, we should maintain stable moisture so the orchid can grow well. After more than a month, the orchid is growing well healthy, with fresh green leaves and a full set of new roots. As it enters the blooming stage, I use diluted lemon juice to care for the plant. Lemon juice can help clean the leaves and stems, remove light dirt and microbes, and create a fresher environment for the plant. When used properly, it may also help balance pH, improve nutrient uptake.
Thank you for watching and supporting this orchid recovery video. Please subscribe to the channel so we can share more helpful plant care tips.